Meaning of ecstatically.
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 Ecstatically. The word ecstatically is an adverb that describes a state of extreme joy or happiness. When someone is ecstatically happy, they are experiencing intense feelings of excitement, elation, and euphoria. This can manifest in physical manifestations like jumping, screaming, or crying tears of joy. It can also result in a feeling of being overwhelmed with positive emotions and a sense of being on top of the world. While this state of ecstasy may not be sustainable, it can leave a lasting impression on the individual and those around them.